Hi guys, we have brand new FortiGate firewall. It's a hardware that we have recently purchased. Hey guys, I'm Sushil from CCI Hub. Recently I have started my new journey and I'm unboxing FortiGate firewall. So let's see what's inside. We have total two boxes over here. Okay. So I'll unbox one of the firewall. I'll just show you both the boxes. So here we have some manuals and we can see this is our FortiGate firewall, one of the box. And here we have another box. Inside the box, we have some cable, some power cable and adapters over here. Okay. So I'll just keep this box side and I'll show you the model number. So we have a brand new two firewalls over here. So this is FortiGate 60F. You can see this is the model number FortiGate 60F. Okay. These are the two hardwares. And here are a few interfaces. You can see few interfaces are given here. And we have like USB, power, console, WAN ports, DMZ ports, and so many data interfaces over here. So guys, main purpose of these two firewalls are to provide you training on physical and the licensed device. So all our students worldwide, whoever are connecting with us for the firewall training, will be providing them physical lab access and hands-on experience to physical box with the license. You'll have license for all the UTM type of features. Under the UTM, you have multiple features like next generation firewall, right? You'll have antivirus, IPS, URL filtering, application filtering, sub-application filtering, and so on. All those features needs a license, and for that you'll need a hardware box. And on a hardware box, you guys can do all the tasks. So this is one of the best model that we have currently, and these are brand new, guys. It's not been registered yet. So in the next video, I'll be showing you guys how to register our FortiGate firewall. Okay, we need to register this box on our FortiCloud so as a assets. So how to license our firewall on our cloud and how to license it, how serial number, product keys, and cloud keys are given. I'll be showing each and every steps in our next video. Now here, the purpose of having two firewalls are like having a redundancy in our network. We'll deploy our FortiGate firewall. As per real-time perspective, I'll show you guys how firewalls are connected with each other, how DCs are protected, how your private networks are protected. Let's say in your office or branch office or a main branch office, wherever you deploy the firewall, right, to protect your entire network. So how would you connect your firewall? How would you configure the firewall? How would you register it for the first time? From scratch, I'll be showing you. And the best part is we are using these firewalls in our training, guys. Okay. It's not about using firewalls on EVNG or unlicensed devices. No, we are providing all our trainings on physical devices and on the licensed devices, right? So here you can see multiple interfaces are there, multiple indicators are there, right? So we'll show you how to configure our firewall from scratch, right? We'll take console access, right? So here you can see we have a console port. We'll take a console access, right? And then we'll take a access of the firewall. We'll configure all the interfaces. We'll create a redundancy between the two firewalls, right? And we'll deploy in our real network. And how students can take a benefit of it, this you might be thinking, right? So what we do is every time we reset the firewall and we tell our students to configure it as per the real network. So you'll have a visibility as per the real network, the real experience, hands-on devices experience you guys will have. That's a benefit. So guys, stay tuned. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to configure our firewall, right? That's it, guys. See you.